Okay, we are asked to find the area of a square that is in the diagram given these two shaded regions. They said in the figure square EFGH is inscribed in the circle with center O. If the sum of the areas of the shaded region is 10 pi, what is the area of this square? Okay, from our basic geometry, square, the sides are congruent, they are equal. So if we call the side length x, so let's call here x, this x, and this is square, so each of these is 90. So if you add the diameter, okay, if you join E to G, we have the diameter. So if we call the radius r, so radius of this circle is r. So we now have a right triangle, a 45, 90 triangle, because this should be 45 degrees. This is 45. This is 45. So we have 45, 90 triangle. From our 45, 90 triangle theorem, it states that if you have a triangle that the angles are 45, this is 45 degrees, this is also 45, that the hypotenuse is just x times root 2 as far as these angles are 45 degrees. So that's the first thing we'll know. Secondly, since this triangle and this triangle are the same, they are the same, which makes this area, the area here, to be the same as this. So if we shade here, assuming we decide to shade you see that the area of this four shaded region, that's the one given and the one I added here, is the same as the area of the circle minus area of the square. Yes, if you want to find the area of the four shaded regions, that because they are equal, they are all equal, is the same as subtracting the area of the square from the circle. So I'm saying that, okay, maybe let's call, if we call here A, they are all equal. This is also A, this is also A. We can easily see that we are saying that area shaded is equals area of circle minus area of square. And we need to get the area of the circle in terms of the side of the square, because we are looking for the area of the square. So from what I just explained, 45, 90 triangle, you can easily see that from this triangle, that 2r is the same as x times root 2. Yes, from what I just explained, this is x, this x, so 2r is the same as x times root 2. So making r the subject of formula, we have that root 2 over 2 x, yes, which is the same thing as x over root 2. I would prefer using this x over root 2. So we now go over to this to get the area. Area is now the area shaded. I told you they are the same, so it's like 4a is equal to area of a circle is pi r squared. So our r is x over root 2, so we have pi x over root 2 squared minus area of a square is x squared. So, and we are given only two parts. So this is now 2 times 10 pi. Because out of 4 we are given 2. So remaining 2. Do you get 4a means 2 times 2a, because a plus a is 2a. So, and 2a is 10 pi. We are given 2 as 10 pi. So why this is now x squared over 2 pi minus x squared. X squared root 2 squared is 2, so pi. So we have 20 pi is equal to factor x squared, which is pi over 2 minus 1. And pi over 2 minus 1, pi over 2 minus 1 is pi minus 2 over 2 x squared. Do you get pi over 2 minus 1 is pi minus 2 over 2. Why this x squared is this? So we'll cross multiply. So we have 40 pi over pi minus 2 is equal to x squared, which is the area of the square. The area of the square, because the side is x, so the area is x squared. That's what we are asked to find. The answer is option D. So it's a very tricky question, option D.